In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enhance your website using Squarespace by adding a button to your web page. This process is not only straightforward, but will also give your site a more professional and user-friendly appearance. Whether you're brand new to Squarespace or have been using it for a while, these few steps will guide you through adding elements to your site effortlessly. First, you're going to want to navigate to the Squarespace homepage. This is your central hub for all site management and is the jumping off point for any edits you wish to make. Once you're on the homepage, locate and click on the edit button. This action takes you into the editing mode where you can work freely on making changes to your website's design and layout. With the edit page in front of you, the next step is to add a new block to your page. You'll find this option typically on the side toolbar or under an existing section of your page, clearly marked as Add Block. Selecting this opens up a menu of different blocks you can integrate. You will see options ranging from text, images, to even more complex elements like index pages and code blocks. For our specific tutorial today, we'll focus on adding a button block. Click on the corresponding button icon from the block's menu. This feature is versatile and can be used for various applications such as navigation or call to action features, boosting your user engagement. Now that the button is on your page, you may want to resize it. Squarespace allows for a fluid resizing process, which you can do by dragging the corners of the button. This flexibility ensures that your new button fits perfectly with your site's layout and theme. While adjusting, keep in mind your overall page aesthetics. It's always a good idea to test it on different screen sizes to ensure consistency across devices. After resizing comes the fun part, positioning your button. Drag the button to your desired location on the page. Remember, your button should be prominent but should also harmonize with other components of the page like text and images. It's about balance and giving visitors a seamless visual experience. Lastly, it's crucial to save your changes so that all your hard work doesn't go to waste. In the top corner of the screen, you should see a Save button. Hitting that saves all the changes you have made during the session. And that's it. You've successfully added an interactive button to your Squarespace website. This simple addition can significantly improve the user interface, making it easier for visitors to navigate and engage with your content. Thank you for watching, and I hope this tutorial has been helpful to you. Stay tuned for more simple guides to make the most out of your Squarespace experience.